In this video, you will need, when you get the rubber bands, make sure they're not too small, not too big, and they can fit your head. So what you're going to want to do is get one rubber band and wrap it on one of the sides of the paper towel. Then you're going to get the other rubber band and wrap it on the opposite side of the other rubber band that you put it around. So next you're going to want to fold each side of the paper towel together, like halves is what I'm going to say. And then you're going to want to tape the middle of it so they can just stick together. Make sure to tape all of the whole entire line of it so you can get everything. And it's stuck there, And make sure that the rubber bands are at the end of they're hanging, as you can see on the video. And right now I'm just making sure every little spot there is all patched up, as you can see. And there you go, that's how you make your own coronavirus face mask, or if you want to use it for something else. And this one was a little too big for me, so I had to hold it, but if you get the right rubber band, it will definitely fit you, and it's definitely accurate. It can definitely work. I've done it before, I've ordered it to Walmart, it works, don't worry. Have a good day. Make sure to wash your hands, stay home, and be safe.